FB tweet. Pinterest email send text message print. Miley Cyrus is safe after her flight to Asunción was forced to make an emergency landing due to severe weather conditions. Early Wednesday morning, Cyrus, who was en route to Paraguay to headline the Asunciónico festival in the country's capital, announced that her plane was caught in a major unexpected storm. To my fans and everyone worried after hearing about my flight to Asunción. Our plane was caught in a major unexpected storm and struck by lightning. My crew, band, friends and family who were all traveling with me are safe after an emergency landing, Cyrus, 29, shared on Instagram. Alongside her message, Cyrus included a frightening video, which shows a flash of lightning seen through the window of the plane. She also included an image of the plane's damage. We were unfortunately unable to fly into Paraguay. I love you, Cyrus concluded her message. Asunción was hit with massive flooding Tuesday. The official Twitter account for the music festival announced that the extreme weather conditions forced organizers to cancel the first day of the event. In addition to Cyrus, opening day performers included Foo Fighters, Doja Cat, and Machine Gun Kelly. Videos shared on Twitter show Kelly performing outside a hotel amid the festival's cancellation. At this time, it is not immediately clear if the remaining days of the festival will go on as planned.